What's poppin', my Rollsville family? It's a girl Rolly back with another video. Tonight I should say, I am by my mommy. I am really not 100 today, but hey, we're gonna push through. I'm going to do some cheesecake cupcakes for my mommy and a pound cake with cream cheese for her church service tomorrow, which is the vlog that you all will see tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna bake a lot of my mommy. So we're by my mommy and we're gonna do some baking. So before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell button so that when I drop a banger, you will be notified. So stay tuned. You're gonna see mommy in a minute. Stay tuned. So only you got Grammy in? Yeah. So yeah. That's your Grammy. That's your Grammy. Yeah. What? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, Rollsville family. What you want to tell? Can mommy have a fries, please? Ah. Ah. Thank you. Kiss me. Let me kiss. Can mommy have a kiss, please? Now you gotta kiss me. I love you.
Love you too.
Love you plenty. I love you.
Bye.
Tell me you love me.
Oh, I love this Asiago sandwich.
So you love me?
Rollsville, thank you for the sun today.
So you don't love me?
Thank you for your surrendering your life to the Lord Jesus Christ.
So we're chilling with mommy today. I'm not 100 today, but we're going to do a little baking with mommy today to prepare for tomorrow's church service, Thanksgiving service, which y'all will see in the next vlog. So stay tuned. Okay, so far I already have my ingredients out. I can't go too close to that blue folder because that's my recipe folder. But yeah, these are my ingredients so far. But yeah, we're going to knock it up real quick. Stay tuned. And then yeah, Lucy says she helping me. So let's see how it's gonna go.
I have a party there. I have Papa party.
Do it back, Muffin. So right now I am squishing up the graham cracker for the bottom of the cupcakes. I am not going to show you all of the ingredients because I already experienced sharing my recipe and the person made money off my recipe. So yeah. So at the moment I'm just cracking up the graham cracker. Put one of these in each holder.
Okay. One each.
My little helper. No.
is good.
So just showing you what's happening. I'm mixing the batter. I forgot to do the video before I put them in the oven, but that's the first set in the oven now. Okay guys, this is a little preview. On the end here is strawberry, cherry, and then apple, and then these are going to be cut into little boxes, and that's it. It is not staying as a whole cheesecake, so there's going to be little cheesecake bites. But yeah, once again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, before you exit, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell button so that when I drop a banger, you will be notified.